In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Watermark to TradingView background. By the end, your charts will clearly display the ticker and time frame in the background, which is perfect for screenshots, live streams, and staying organized across multiple layouts. Start by opening your web browser and heading to tradingview.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're on a charting page. If you land on the home page, just open any symbol so you can access the charting interface. The watermark setting lives inside the chart, so you need a chart open to continue. Next, select the Stocks section and open the full chart. If you see a compact preview, look for the option that says Full Featured Chart or open the chart in full view. This gives you the complete set of controls and the settings panel we'll use. With the chart visible, move your mouse over the main chart area and right-click. This opens a context menu tailored to the chart canvas. From that menu, choose Settings. You'll see the chart settings window appear. If you ever prefer, you can also access this same window using the gear icon on the chart toolbar, but right-clicking is often the quickest way. Inside the settings window, click the Canvas tab. This is where TradingView groups options that control the look and feel of the chart background, including grid lines, background color, and the watermark. It's the place you go when you want the chart to look a certain way without changing the data itself. Find the watermark option and check the box to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, the chart will display a large faint label showing the symbol and time frame behind your candles or bars. This is non-intrusive and sits behind your drawings and indicators, so it won't block price action. Now pick a color for the watermark, choose something that fits your theme and remains readable without overpowering the chart. Light, desaturated tones usually work well on dark backgrounds, and soft grays tend to look clean on light themes. If the watermark looks too strong or too subtle, fine-tune the color shade to balance visibility with clarity. The goal is to make the watermark clear at a glance while keeping price and indicators front and center. That's it. You went to tradingview.com, opened a full chart, right-clicked to open settings, selected the Canvas tab, enabled the watermark, and chose a color that suits your layout. Your charts will now consistently show the symbol and time frame in the background, making every screenshot and analysis easier to identify. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, more informative charts.